guys, for today's video I'm gonna show you how I did this little cat cave on our window thing. Okay, so make sure you clean the area, and then I have this foam from my previous sofa, and then just laid it out there. And then I got this from Amazon. It's a fluffy rug. Luffy likes some fluffy stuff, so I make sure I'm putting it correctly. And then this area, you just have to tuck it in. That's it for the bed. Okay, so I have the baseboard here, so just measure it like where you want to put it, you know. Like I know I want to put one here, and then probably like that. Okay, so for this side I want to get like here, and then you're just gonna put thumbtacks there. Make sure it's even. Yeah, it's fine. For the second part, I want to put it here, and you only need to put thumbtacks on top. Don't worry about the bottom. And then probably around here. Yep. Put one and another one in here. Okay, so I'm gonna use this double-sided tape. It's really strong, so I'm gonna put it on the side, because when they scratch, it's gonna like fall off on them, so you have to like secure it. Put the tape on the side. You don't have to do much, but make sure you stick it. So when they scratch, it's not falling off, you know. To secure it, I'm gonna put thumbtacks in here on the side, so it holds a little bit. So I'm gonna do the same thing on this too, and then we're gonna move. Okay, now we're done with the scratchers. We're gonna put this little ball thingy on top to hang it. Just to have a little playful area. I think someone is liking it. And to complete the look, I'm gonna put this cat food situation right here, so they can munch that on. Yeah, so they can eat it, you know. I'm gonna put these little things that will hold the stick, so they have little thing. So we're gonna stick it in. There you go. They have their little town in there. It's so cute. Do you like it, Shelby girl? Oh, and this is your little weed. So cute. Okay, this is the final look. So I'll add a little more things, like this artificial lavender, this food bowl with treats, and this food is eating it. So So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below, subscribe, and see you till the next video. He likes it. Okay, bye bye.